Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. I've been wanting to do some more serious accuracy testing with the Utah pistol, so I bought this red dot sight to put on it, but now I need to make a mounting block that will allow me to affix this to the barrel. The first thing to do is going to be to bore out a hole the right size to accommodate the barrel in a block of steel. And to do that, I'm going to start by marking the desired location of the hole with a center drill on my milling machine, and then move the block to a 4-jaw chuck on my lathe where I will actually bore out the hole. Next, I will drill, tap, and counterbore a couple of holes to facilitate clamping of the barrel using socket head cap screws. Next, I need to machine the contours of the mounting rail, and I'm actually going to do that with this carbide-tipped V-point router bit. You know, if you used a router bit like this to machine steel in an ordinary wood router by hand, you'd probably end up shattering the bit without doing a whole lot of good to the steel. But chucked up in a rigid milling machine with controllable speeds and feed rates, these wood router bits actually cut steel surprisingly well. And finally, I need to machine the slot in the mounting rail and also cut a slot through the base of the block to facilitate clamping of the barrel. Well, I'd say that turned out quite well. It will be interesting to see what kind of accuracy the Utah pistol is capable of now that it actually has some respectable sights. But until I get around to testing that, thanks for watching the Idahoan Show.